Now, who was it that said, "This above all, know thyself"? Well, I ask you, do you know who you are? Do you really? I know who I am. I am the living man, General Goodshafting. You see? But if you don't know who you are, then a good shafting generally is what you're going to get. There's nothing more important in this world right now than knowing who you are. Because if you don't know who you are, how can you claim your rights? It'll be easy for them to take them from you. They'll call you anything they like. They'll call you the taxpayer. Could you be quiet over there? They'll call you the taxpayer. They'll call you the driver. They'll call you the registered keeper. Did you know that what they're calling you is a corporation? A corporation. All of those words mean a corporation. A legal person. A legal person, in legal definition, is not a human being. You got that? A legal person is not a human being. Are you a human being? Well, I don't know if I'm a human being, because in legal definition, a human being is a monster. Monster. Would you have that? Check it out for yourself. So, I'm telling you that I am a living man named General Goodshafting. So, take a look at your own name. Say it for yourself. I am the living man, or the living woman as it would be, and say your name. Name that name. That's who you are. Don't you forget it. Now, for those of you wondering what the bloody hell am I talking about, I would say this. Take a look very closely at your driving license. Take a look very closely at your national insurance card. Take a look very closely at your tax return. Then I would ask you to write your name down. Very simply, just write it down. Why am I asking you to do that? Well, I've written my name here. Look, show you how it's written. General Goodshafting. General Goodshafting. Now, you see how I've written that? It's got a capital letter for the G, General, and a capital letter for the G, Goodshafting. Now, if you take a look at your national insurance card, is that what you're going to see? Well, let's take a look. Here we are. Take a look at this. Take a look. Here we go. Here we go. General Goodshafting. General Goodshafting. Do you spot the difference? There's a bloody difference, I can tell you. The difference is, this one is the name of a legal person. And if you remember what I said before, a legal person is not a human being. A legal person is an administrative person, a juristic person, a corporation. Do you know, like a company, like the council, a corporation like the Inland Revenue, the police, the courts? That's a corporation, a legal person, same bloody thing. I am not a legal person. I am, the way I wrote it down before, I am the living man named General Goodshafting. And I showed you how I wrote it down. So if you receive a communication like this, is it you? Bloody hell, is it? It isn't. It's a damn trick. Why would they do that? Why do they do that? It's because, as a living man or woman, you've got some rights, see? Secured in constitutional and in common law. Human rights. Human, well, we know that's a monster, but you've still got rights, because you're alive.